Hi, this is Jim Munson here at Encore Packaging, and today we are taking a look at our EP5980 semi-automatic paper crumpler. By semi-automatic, I mean that the machine is power-fed, pulling the paper through via foot pedal, and then manually cut here on the cutter on the side. So let me first show you how to control the machine. First, this dial here controls the speed, and this button here, when it's red, like this, means the machine is on and ready to pull. Press it once, it starts blinking, and this means that the machine is in reverse. So pulling the paper back the other way, and that's useful for clearing a paper jam. And then finally, this here is the emergency stop. With the machine on, let me show you how to load a new roll of paper. So you're gonna take your paper, pull it together here, and do a little twist. And then you're going to stick that piece down into the rollers of the machine and activate the foot pedal. Once you have your paper loaded, you're ready to crank up on your speed. So at that speed, we are approaching right about 200 feet per minute. So once you have the amount of paper you want, you move over here to your manual cut. So you can see that nice manual cut there, and then you have your crumpled paper. So one of the other nice things about the EP5980 that is different than a lot of the other machines out there on the market is that we do not sell any of our own paper. We sell the machine outright, and then you can source the paper for yourself or your customer however you want. There's no paper contracts. There's none of that at all. It's just buy the machine and source the paper however you want. So again, this is the EP5980 made right here at Encore Packaging in the USA. Thank you.